Okay guys, just a couple of reminders before we start the lesson for today. On your way in, you should have picked up 3 papers. One is your homework, Reteaching 1-1. One is your new Chapter 1, Part A homework planner, which you're going to do this warm-up and objective on. And then the third one is a note-taking guide, which is your classwork for today. So make sure you have all 3 of those. Secondly, make sure that if you didn't hand in your homework planner from the intro week already, that you do that. There is a bin on the back shelf that you want to put that in. And then when you get to your seat, take out your agenda, pencil, and that video for order of operations worksheet so that can be checked. Then in your agenda book, you're going to write down that you have the Reteaching 1-1 worksheet. It does have 2 sides, so make sure you do both sides. Your planner due date, you're going to need to look on the assignment board to your left. Make sure you're looking at the correct block for the due date. And then your quiz will be Monday, September 24th. So it's almost 2 weeks away. Then in column 1-1, just like it's showing right here, so first column of your new homework planner, you're going to fill in this objective and complete this warm-up. You're going to want to pause the video while you do the warm-up and then hit play, and you can check your answers that way. Make sure for number 1 that you copy this sentence as it says here to the side. We will fill in the dates on your planner next time we have class. So go ahead and pause while you complete the objective and warm-up. All right, hopefully you found in number 1 that the answer is absolute value. So you should have the whole sentence written. The absolute value of a number is its distance from 0 on a number line. And that's written using these vertical bars, and the number they want the absolute value of will be inside there. So for example, if I wanted the absolute value of -2, it would look like that, and your answer would be 2 because the distance from -2 to 0 is just 2. Absolute value answers will come out positive because distance is going to be positive. Then for your ordering problems, the answer for number 2 should be 9, 19, 91, and 109. Number 3, 18, 78, 87, and 807. And for number 4, 28, 82, 88, and 208. Now we're going to check the answers to your homework. Hopefully you did check them already. I did notice in the online video that you used when you did the homework, there was one mistake, so maybe you found that as well. So let's go through that quickly. Number 1 should be 7. Again, if you need to look at this in more detail, please pause it, but it's adding and subtracting, so you just go from left to right. Number 2 should be 12 because it's just multiplying and dividing in there, so you work from left to right. Number 3 is going to be 12 as well. The multiplication gets done first, then the division, because you do multiplying and dividing from left to right, and then go back and do addition and subtraction from left to right. So subtraction first in this case, and then addition second. So that was 12. Number 4, this is the one that had a little mistake in it in the original video. So exponents are going to happen first. The scrap work for those is off to the side if you needed to see where that came from. But 3 to the 3rd is 27, rewrite. 2 to the 4th is 16, rewrite. Once you do that, you have subtraction, division, and addition. So division is going to come first. Here's where the mistake was. This should be a 3 here. And then you're left with subtraction and addition, work from left to right, and you end up getting 40. Number 5, you have parentheses, so you're going to simplify those by doing the 13 minus 7. And then you have multiplication and addition. Multiplication will come first, so your answer is 66. And then finally, number 6, in the parentheses, you have subtraction and division. Division comes first, so you do that 100 divided by 5, and then you do 42 minus 20. Once you've simplified the parentheses, you don't need to have them there anymore. So we have multiplication, addition, and exponents. Of those 3, exponents is first, and then multiplication, and then addition. So your answer should be 93. Make sure that your homework was stamped or collected. And then you guys are going to take your graded mini quiz on the video homework topics that we've been doing for the last week or so. When you're done with that mini quiz, you're going to turn it into the yellow folder in the back. It's by the bathroom sign out on the shelf. And then you're going to do video 2 and video 3 to do today's classwork.